Web PC cost all things considered equivalent to $5.4020 a coin, which sort of is very huge. The present exchanged cost range, 5.3760, 5.6340, which sort of is very critical. The earlier day close, 5.5940, which generally is genuinely huge. The change essentially was 0.1920, 3.43%, which especially is very critical. Opposite rates, United States dollars to ICP. Web PC value expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month in an unpretentious manner. Web PC cost forecast on Monday, WAC 6, cost $5.34, truly greatest 5.71, truly least 4.97, which fundamentally is genuinely critical. Web PC estimate on Tuesday, WAC 7, cost $5.11, for the most part greatest 5.47, least 4.75, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Web PC cost forecast on Wednesday, WAC 8, cost $5.43, certainly most extreme 5.81, fundamentally least 5.05, which most certainly is very huge. Web PC estimate on Thursday, WAC 9, cost $5.15, genuinely greatest 5.51, lovely least 4.79. Web PC cost expectation on Friday, WAC 10, cost $5.06 in every practical sense, most extreme 5.41, really least 4.71, which is very huge. In multi-week Web PC conjecture on Monday, WAC 13, cost $5.15, most certainly greatest 5.51, least 4.79, which is genuinely huge. Web PC cost expectation on Tuesday, WAC 14, cost $4.97, most extreme 5.32, least 4.62 in a kind of large way. Web PC estimate on Wednesday, WAC 15, cost $4.69, greatest 5.02, extremely least 4.36 in a genuinely significant way. Web PC cost forecast on Thursday, WAC 16, cost $4.66, especially greatest 4.99, extremely least 4.33. Web PC gauge on Friday, WAC 17, cost $4.57, really most extreme 4.89, in every practical sense, least 4.25, which explicitly is genuinely critical. In about 14 days Web PC cost forecast on Monday, WAC 20, cost $4.32, sort of greatest 4.62, beautiful least 4.02 in an unobtrusive way. Web PC figure on Tuesday, WAC 21, cost $4.25, genuinely greatest 4.55, certainly least 3.95 in an unobtrusive way. Web PC cost expectation on Wednesday, WAC 22, cost $4.39, certainly greatest 4.70, beautiful least 4.08, which sort of is genuinely critical. Web PC conjecture on Thursday, WAC 23, cost $4.25, in every way that really matters, most extreme 4.55, genuinely least 3.95, or so they basically thought. Web PC cost expectation on Friday, WAC 24, cost $4.93, beautiful most extreme 5.28, especially least 4.58, or so they sort of thought. In 3 weeks Web PC conjecture on Monday, WAC 27, cost $5.02, sort of greatest 5.37, truly least 4.67 in a really significant way. Web PC cost expectation on Tuesday, WAC 28, cost $5.47, most extreme 5.85, lovely least 5.09, which especially is genuinely huge. Web PC conjecture on Wednesday, WAC 29, cost $5.67, by and large greatest 6.07, sort of least 5.27 incredibly. Web PC cost expectation on Thursday, WAC 30, cost $5.36 in every practical sense, greatest 5.74, especially least 4.98, genuinely in spite of prevalent thinking. Web PC gauge on Friday, WAC 31, cost $5.76, sort of most extreme 6.16, least 5.36, which certainly is very huge. In about a month Web PC cost expectation on Monday, April 3, cost $5.89, beautiful greatest 6.30, especially least 5.48, or so they in a real sense thought. Web PC figure on Tuesday, April 4, cost $5.98, most certainly greatest 6.40, certainly least 5.56, which in every practical sense is very critical. United States dollars to ICP swapping scale truly equivalent to 0.1851 coins per $1, or so they essentially thought. Today's reach, 0.1775 0.1860, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. The past day's nearby, 0.1788, or so they generally thought. Change for now plus 0.0063. Plus 3.52% in a kind of large way. United States dollars to ICP cost estimate for, in the not-so-distant future and month in a sort of significant manner. Dollar to web PC estimate on Monday, WAC 6, cost 0.187 coins, most extreme 0.201 in every practical sense, least 0.175, so web PC figure on Thursday, WAC 23, cost $4.25, truly greatest 4.55, truly least 3.95 in an unpretentious way. United States dollars to ICP expectation on Tuesday, WAC 7, cost 0.196 coins, especially greatest 0.211, sort of least 0.183 in a for the most part huge manner. Dollar to web PC conjecture on Wednesday, WAC 8, cost 0.184 coins, genuinely most extreme 0.198, really least 0.172 in an all things considered significant way. United States dollars to ICP expectation on Thursday, WAC 9, cost 0.194 coins, beautiful greatest 0.209, sort of least 0.181 in a significant way. Dollar to web PC figure on Friday, WAC 10, cost 0.198 coins, genuinely most extreme 0.212, certainly least 0.185 in an unpretentious way. In multi-week United States dollars to ICP expectation on Monday, WAC 13, cost 0.194 coins, essentially greatest 0.209, sort of least 0.181, which truly is genuinely critical. Dollar to web PC gauge on Tuesday, WAC 14, cost 0.201 coins, lovely greatest 0.216, beautiful least 0.188 in an unobtrusive way. United States dollars to ICP expectation on Wednesday, WAC 15, cost 0.213 coins, exceptionally greatest 0.229, beautiful least 0.199. Which shows that web PC figure on Friday, WAC 17, cost $4.57, genuinely most extreme 4.89, least 4.25 in a sort of huge way. Dollar to web PC gauge on Thursday, WAC 16, cost 0.215 coins, beautiful greatest 0.231, lovely least 0.200, or so they most certainly thought. United States dollars to ICP forecast on Friday, WAC 17, cost 0.219